Alright, trying out the GoPro. I love the one button record, or the one click record. You just hit the button and it goes. So, give it some test footage here. Gonna make some tilapia. Alright, got some tilapia, veggies, a little ranch, a little cheese. There's some salt on the tilapia, and I got some cold water. That'll be lunch. Late lunch, it's 4 o'clock. Okay, I managed to get a couple hours of sleep in. I'm feeling pretty good now. Sometimes that's all I need is just a couple hour nap to feel a little bit of a reset. So I'm gonna head on out. It's 6:42. Wow, look at that. No, I put a check valve on the compressor to keep the air from leaking out. Now the tank is actually holding air. That is so nice. I wonder how the shocks are going to hold up now. Gonna let it warm up a little bit, and I'm gonna let it charge. The house batteries are getting kind of low, I'm sure. I'm using more power than I'm bringing in. So I thought I'd try boondocking at a Costco for the first time. Also noticing this first street might head off somewhere more remote and out of city limits. But yeah, I just googled it and it sounds like some people do it, so I'll try it. There's no, just says no semi-trucks, big sign. And I did see a sign that might have said no overnight parking, but I'll try it anyway. Ooh, there's a church. I might try that even. But, yeah, let's... Alright, it said no... it said customer parking only. Vehicles will be towed at owner's expense. So I may actually get a membership before I try doing that. But what I do see over this church is another RV, so I'm just going to try and... Oh my god. I'm just gonna try it. Let's see what happens. This is a nice area. This is pretty new here in Vancouver. The Costco's a little old, but this all is new development. I like it. Let's see, where's he hiding out at over there? He's definitely camping. Screw it, I'm gonna try it. Ugh, I don't know. I'm in big old parking lots with nobody here but me. I don't feel right. Alright, I'm gonna try it. Beautiful area here. If these apartments went here, you'd see the mountains. made it through the night finally. Took multiple attempts, but I did finally manage to sleep. Pretty quiet parking lot, but I don't know. I just kept waking up from anxiety, I suppose. I'm the only person here except for one car. So that's cool. Church boondocking. Pretty freaking cold last night too. I had to get out my my big blanket. Is it 55 degrees? Yeah. Woke up, heard this weird noise, and this thing was on. So it got pretty cold last night. Yeah, some crazy dreams too. That's always good. Means I hit that REM sleep, which I don't often do.